So where do you think you want to move? Australia? You should come and study business here.
Australia. Look, you know what? Australia is a name. America, Britain. This name, just it's very easy to say. It's very difficult for us to come over in Australia, whether it's gonna be in the UK or anywhere country.
You don't know where you're going to go because you don't know what it's like when you get there.
Australia is my first choice, but I'm not sure how does it possible. Do you have any idea?
You have to want to study something that we need here in Australia. So you look at, like, they say, like, what there's a website you see, and then you study that. So there's certain professions that we need in Australia, and then you need to be studying that to be already that to come in.
Oh, except student visa, is there any available opportunity to come over in Australia?
I'm not exactly sure. You'd have to have a look on the website.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, but I know if you have a certain
Google.
a certain skill that we need here, or you're studying a certain thing that we need, then you can come in. But that's all I sort of know on that side of things.
Do you have any hand to help me? For instance, well, suppose you think you wanted to help me to come over in Australia. Is it possible for you to take me?
What are your qualifications? Well, what do you study?
I can't finish up my graduation due to the financial problem.
Far out. Well, yeah, that's a tough situation. So or something, or maybe you can do. No, I want to do window cleaning. If I'm gonna get a job, I'm gonna do window cleaning.
So would you help me? Just giving you a work visa?
You want me to give you a work visa?
Hmm?
Yeah, I mean, I could employ you. Do you like housework?
Yeah,
Cleaning?
I do.
Slave duties?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
I do.
Okay. Okay. We can make something work.
So let me work in your house.
Okay. Yeah. Do the dishes. You can cook for me. You know,
Definitely.
vacuum, mop. You know, do the garden.
I
I'll
do.
sit there and I'll just tell you what to do.
Yeah, definitely. I agree.
What? Okay. Perfect. I love it. All right. I love someone who agrees. Good. You've got the skills for it. You've got the can-do attitude. I love that. Well, I'm sure there's plenty of jobs you could do. You have the can-do attitude, so that's what you need.
Yeah. So, what do you think? Would you help me to work over there in your house, whether anywhere?
Like you said, we have to ask my boyfriend first, see what he thinks.
Definitely, for sure, definitely.
Okay, you take us to dinner, and we'll talk about the business plan.
Okay, definitely. You do talk about this with your boyfriend.
Okay, we'll do. And so what are you thinking? Hourly wage? You're thinking how much? Rent isn't cheap here.
You know what? I'm not asking for salary. It's completely depend on you. Okay, depend on you because I leave this topic to you and your boyfriend.
I'll have to have a think about it.
For sure, definitely.
But don't hold me to it. Don't I'm not the only option. So keep trying.
But you are my last and first. I'm not gonna to try for another way how to come over there. But you know what? It's not, as I said, it's not really easy for me to go there. Okay, there's no more sense for me. I think if nobody out there to help me, so that's it. I do believe you.
I think don't stress too much. Whatever will be. Just pray and do a little bit each day towards your goal, and you will get there eventually.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not really going too much stress because I have magic in Australia, so no fear, no tension.
I can't do everything.
Okay.
Okay.
And thank you so much. Have a lovely time. I'm really so happy. I won't go on the live today because I have got enough stars, enough power from you.
Oh, you take. Wonderful, wonderful. I was wondering why I was hungry. You took all my power.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'm glad I could give you some power. That's my mission here on Earth, to spread love and light to humanity. So it's my pleasure, my friend.
Yeah,
Thank you for
definitely.
your manners.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
appreciate you. Good luck, my friend.
Yeah, I just, it's really so good love also, my friend. Thank you so much, Magic. Have a good night, and I will have a good dream definitely because of you and your boyfriend also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Just one.
This one, huh?
Okay.